This is our Airsoft 4-2. There's our logo. The Airsofters.
Yeah!
Fuck you. Here we got our... Here we got our...
Shit.
stuff that we're gonna
And here's our
build
scope.
with. Fuck you. There's a ball for
Sorry.
breaks after airsofting. If you get sweaty.
Yeah.
That's so
Yeah, when it's really sandy.
fucking. Oh yeah. Stop paska. Then we go here.
I'm Jokamukka.
Fuck you, shut up, you're ruining the video. And yeah, there you got the trampoline. Swing.
My swing.
And this is how we transport stuff up there. We did it with that bench over there. Use this. It's gonna climb up. So now I'm gonna climb up. So we'll see how it looks like. Up here.
Very nice. And I did this with fire. At summer, but now it's spring. It's pretty cool. Here's a water.
There's water in there because it has rain and that thing. You can snipe over here. So we're gonna build walls and windows here so we can shelter and stuff. There we got our tubes, and you got somewhere over there you got that's Airsoft Fort number 1. There we get trash here, and you can see the field is pretty big. And now we're gonna show you a broken car. Oh yeah, there's the cello tower again. So now we're gonna show you a dumped car. So bye bye. Oh, and before I show you the dumped car, here's some sofas. These were here before we found this spot. You can jump there if you want something, and you can get behind here and shoot the animations there. And we're reloading. You come here and you stand up and shoot. And Jakamusta's gonna show you another shelter. Over there, that's our other shelter. You're not gonna see his face because he's too... Oh shit! So now he's coming. Okay, now we're gonna show you the car. So bye. Oh, not yet bye. So sorry about that. Here's some commando. On here I have got some branches. With heart, he's going there. Okay, my turn.
I found a flag.
Oh, Arkioski! It's an expensive place to buy stuff from. Train! Look it, there's someone's logo. Okay, bye. No wait, let's run to the car.
Yeah.
There's an facility for warm homes. Now just keep running. About 30 meters to the car. Dun, 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 dun. Go. Oh, my pants are alright. Look at the engine, the car itself, and looks like other people found this car too. So their store reads warm at a war. It's not over. That's not the two. And that, they're not always. The register plate FGB. This is how to start the car. Just joking. Okay, got the inside. Looks like it's dry, but not enough. Just the gear. Wait, I'm zooming out. There. It's broken. And there's a hole to get the train stuff. There goes the train. You can do pretty much suicide. So shut up. Now there should be a tire. There's not. Broken engine. Yeah. Crash. Wrap. And you can like go behind here, shoot at the enemy who's running at you, and it's good that there's a gate that, you know, the workers can't come and take you to the police officer because it's illegal to airsoft here because there's a facility right there. And there's those. And there's a dick. It's meat. Just joking. That's sperm.
Oh.
Ah shit. There is it. It's not door trap or anything. So this is the end of our review. So hope you guys enjoyed. The 4 minutes and 30 something seconds. Bye bye.